Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are going to do the question answers of the chapter Civics, chapter number 6, which is Human Resources. Okay friends, so we are going to do its answer the following questions, also with long questions and its D part which is distinguish between. Okay friends, now friends, let's move towards our first question, which is how are human resources important? Human resources कैसे important है? So our answer will be importance of human resources, and first point will be human resources assist individuals improving and using their capacities and potentialities. Second, it is people who give society its art, culture, music and education. And third point we can write is it is human resource that creates opportunities for the employment of increasing population. So these 3 points we have to write in the importance of human resources. Okay friends, so this was our first question, and our second question is in which three age groups is the population of India divided? So we have to tell about the age groups that are in India, that are considered in India. So how many in three age groups it is divided and which are these groups? So firstly in the answer we will tell about the age composition. So the age composition represents the number of people of different age groups, and these age groups are: first age group is 0 to 14 years, second is 15 to 59 years, and the last age group is 60 years and above. So these are the three age groups that is the population of the India. Now friends, let's move towards our third question, which is who is considered a literate in India? So in this question we have to tell that in India who is considered as an educated person. So our answer will be that in India a person is literate when he or she is aged 7 and above and is able to read and write, understand a simple statement in any language. So in this we were told to that who is considered as a literate person in India. So in the answer we tell about the reason. Now friends, let's move towards our fourth question. Fourth question is why there has been a decline in the death rate in India. So in this question we are given that in India why there is a decline, why the death rate is decreasing day by day. So our answer will be death rate declined in India due to the improvement of medical facilities, control and eradication of some deadly diseases, development of transportation facilities which facilitated the movement of food grains to areas suffering famines. So this was the answer in which we tell that why the death rate are decreasing in India day by day, and that is just due to the medical facilities and some new facilities and the development of transport facilities. Okay friends, so these were our short question answer. Now let's move towards our long question answer. So friends, our first long question is discuss the composition of human resources. So we have to tell the composition of human resources. So friends, answer will be the population of a region composed of males and females, young and old, urban and rural, working and non-working, literate and illiterate people, etc. And thus traits such as age, sex, occupation, literacy, tribe, language, etc. help us to understand better the inherent qualities of the population. So in this way our human resources are divided in many ways like males and females, young and old. So this is comes under the composition of human resources. Okay friends, now friends, let's move towards our second question of long question answer chapter number 6 human resources, which is give a brief account of distribution of population in India. So we have to tell about the distribution of population in India. Okay friends, so we will write that the total population of India in 2011 was 1.4 billion, and it is the second largest populated country in the world after China, and in India also the population is unevenly distributed. So in India in 2011 the total population was 1.34 billion, and it is also the second largest country which has the largest population in the world after the China. Okay friends, now friends, let's move towards our distribution in which अब हमने ये बता दिया कि अनइवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है. सो हाउ इट इज़ अनइवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड? सो फर्स्ट, पेनिनसुलर इंडिया इज़ मॉडरेटली पॉपुलेटेड. Second, the hilly regions like Jammu and Kashmir and the northeastern states are thinly populated. Third, the concentration of population is the highest in northern plains, particularly in the Ganga plains. And fourth, the population of Delhi, a union territory, is equal to the population of all the other union territories, two states of Jammu and Kashmir and the Arunachal Pradesh put together. So these were the composition of population of India. Okay friends, now friends, our third question, which is give the 3 reasons as why the plains of India are densely populated. So we have to give the reason that जो plains है इंडिया में वो ही ज़्यादा populated क्यों है, densely populated क्यों है. So our answer will be that first point is that they have better climatic conditions which is suitable for human livelihood because of the better conditions, better climatic conditions. Second point, which is the land is fertile, there is which supports the agriculture. If the land is fertile, so agriculture will be good. Then third is that they have better accessibility of other resources also. They have also other resources which are available for them and important. Okay friends, now friends, our fourth question is describe in details the factors influencing the distribution of population in a region. So we have to tell about the factors, which are the factors that affects the distribution of population in a region. So our answer will be first start. So now the factors influencing distribution of population in a region depends on the two situations, which is geographical conditions and socio-economic factors. So these are the two factors that influence the distribution of population in a region. And in geographical conditions, the things that come under this is landform, climate, soil type, availability of water, mineral deposits and means of transport. So these are the geographical conditions which are the factors influencing the distribution of a population in a region. Now friends, let's discuss the geographical conditions. Our geographical conditions are first is landform. So in landform we can write that terrain has an influence in making the life easy or difficult. Most of the plains are densely populated because of the flat terrain which is suitable for agriculture, transport and industries. And mountains have the lowest concentration of population as the steep slopes restrict the availability of land for agriculture or for any other economic activity. Now friends, then we will write about the climate, that how the climate affect the population of a region. So regions having extremely hot or cold climate or do not receive much rainfall are usually avoided by the people, and on the other hand areas with moderate climate and abundant rainfall are thickly populated, or we can say that densely populated. Now friends, our third point, which is soil. So how soil affects soil is the factor that where the population is divided in a region. So soil helps us in obtaining food, clothing and other shelter, and thus areas with fertile soil usually support the large population. For example, the fertile plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra in India. So these are the densely populated areas because of the fertile plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Okay friends, now our fourth point will be means of transport. And the means of transport also are the main factor of the population that it is divided in a region. So the developed means of transport and communication attract the many economic activities which are followed by people. So this we can write in the means of transportation. Now friends, we are going to do the D part of the book of the chapter number 6, human resources, which is distinguish between dependent population and the productive population. So what points we can write in the dependent and productive population? So firstly, we will write that what are dependent and productive population. So first point will be that these are the people who do not contribute directly to any economic activity. And in productive population we can write that the working population consists of people who are engaged in some kind of useful and productive population. Now friends, second point we can write is the age group of this type of population is generally below 15 years and above the 60 years. And in the productive population we can write the point that generally the age group between 15 to 59 years come under this kind of population. And the last point that we can write is the living purpose of this type of population depends on the working population, and in the dependent population the working population have to carry the burden of dependent population for meeting the needs and nutrition and healthcare, etc. So these were the questions and of the chapter 6 human resources. I hope you understand all the questions very clearly. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching friends.